RG car. And my lord, they are
By the way, just Rishikesh Roy pointed out to me in another CB yesterday that you kept on saying car is car. So I said, well, I apologize.
We are forgetting one crucial thing.
So, my lord,
Can I speak? My lord?
can
We
I
are
just
forgetting one crucial thing. All the doctors, my lord, which your lordships have constituted in the committee, they have passed through this very phase. They are aware of the problems.
So, my lord, I'm just saying that they are still terrorized, they are still in fear. They are saying our senior residents are back at work. We'll give it to the Registrar General in a sealed cover, the names of the people. There are about 70 junior residents and they are interns. And they are still feeling terrorized, they are threatened. They are actually being targeted in the hospital.
But terrorized by whom? Because this is a serious thing. And they
Yes.
come in the RG for medical hospital.
CISF is already there.
What is their
But
grievance?
instead of, my lord, giving them here, let them be given to me. I'll ensure, my lord, CISF to do the needful. My lord.
Yes, but we have to have their names in sealed cover because those who've spoken up are feeling targeted already.
Yes.
And they have a timeline of
But
videos they have taken.
Targeted by whom? Don't give us names, but targeted broad.
By officials, my lords, by goons. I am for
By-
20,000 doctors
by-
in the, Kolkata, my lords.
But your
And
lordship sees the.
many of them work in RG car.
Possibly a hint of.
By members of the administration, by people who are in the hospital.
All right,
and they,
we'll take note of that.
Which report, ma'am, sir?
The injury report, the medical examination report of the accused.
Of the accused. My lord, our difficulty,
Actually, I think Astha had given it last time, but.
Yes, we have the case diary. It's part of the case diary.
Or,
we are not supply, my lord, our difficulty.
Part of the case diary, my lord, they have it. It's part of the case diary.
Only a minute, Mr. Sibal, if you don't mind. My lord,
just flag it for us and then.
Sure.
only one thing. I did not know, my lord, that there is some report, my lord, because our difficulty was we entered on the 5th day. And thereafter, my lord, before that, my lord, whatever was collected by the local police, my lord, we were given. And our investigation starts, my lord, that is itself a challenge by itself, my lord, because the scene of offense is altered. Everything is, my lord, even the.
So everything is videographed. Nothing is altered. Everything is videographed.
My lord,
Mr.
without knowing anything, Mr.
Postmortem is videographed.
Yes, rest is not
Crime is
videographed.
not videographed because the crime is.
The seizure memo is there, madam. Seizure memo is there.
9 o'clock, the crime is detected.
Seizure memo is there, madam.
Not
Seizure
the
memo is
most
there.
shocking fact. I am not making this, Mr.
Madam,
Sibal is.
that is also
little
videographed.
combative mood.
Madam,
Lord,
madam,
the most shocking fact. The FIR is registered after cremation at 11:45 night.
The
First,
investigation.
the parents are informed that she is not well by the deputy superintendent. When they reach, they say that she has committed a suicide. Thereafter, they say that it appears to be a death. Fortunately, the young doctors, the colleagues of this deceased girl, victim, they insisted
Who
that
said?
we want videography, we want this. Look, this is suggestive that even they were suspecting some cover-up. So they were also trying their best.
Well, let's just see the medical examination.
Yes, your lordship.
Lords, the postmortem was
Sorry.
done in the same hospital.
I don't
So
want-
that may be.
Postmortem was also done in the same.
I don't want,
We have
this is entirely accusatory. I don't want to, let's contradict my learned friend, but the record will show what happened.
Mr. Sibal,
Yeah.
just tell us from your record, at what time the postmortem was performed?
Yes, I tell your lordship.
From your record?
Yes.
That is, for the time being
6:10 to 7:10 PM.
in the evening,
Yes,
correct?
correct.
When you are taking the dead body
Yes.
for the purpose of performing postmortem,
Yes.
is it a case of unnatural death or not? If it is not a case of unnatural death, why do you have to perform the postmortem?
It is a case.
Just, so that
Sorry.
you can respond to it.
Sorry.
There are so many questions.
Yes, I agree. Of
coming in
course.
our mind.
Right.
And we have the best of the assistance
Yes.
in your form. When you start performing the postmortem, that means it is a case of unnatural death.
No doubt about it.
Postmortem starts at 18:10 hours.
Yes.
It comes to an end at 19:10 hours.
Yes.
What was the idea in registering UD at 23:30 hours
That's the FIR, Malad. That's not the UD.
No, sir, no, sir.
Malad, I just,
Just listen to us.
I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
Either you are right
No, no.
or
No,
what
it was
was
FIR. FIR
You have to
was,
answer your lordship's question, Malad, without interference, please.
well, you can.
No, no, just
Yes,
one
certainly,
clarification.
certainly.
The records reveal,
Yes,
subject to what you have to further point out to us.
correct.
UD case number 861 of 24 of police station Tala
Yes.
was registered at 23:30 hours. On 9th August 2024, GD entry number 576 and the FIR number 52 of 2024 was registered at 23:45 hours. Is this record correct?
Malad, may I therefore point out to your lordship, just take the timeline, we have referred everything in
So
it.
according to your record, the UD was registered at what times?
1:45 PM.
1:45?
PM.
No, that's not true.
That 1:45 PM.
How do we reconcile the two records?
Malad, I'll show that to your
Because
lordship.
we today have a report
Malad, but that I'm saying, Malad.
which indicates that this is the time. So therefore, it's very surprising. Post-mortem precedes registration of UD.
No, Malad, this is what I am told, Malad, and I can only
Is someone
respond.
responsible there to assist?
Yes, yes, certainly, Malad.
If any officer is present, you may speak to him and tell us. Because if this is the fact, then it is something very dangerous.
I agree with, I agree. Let me just, Malad, the officer is here.
Please.
I may beg my lords to point out one thing.
One-
The
Just a minute.
Just a minute,
Just a
first,
minute.
let him ascertain. Sharma,
For inquest.
can you
that-
tell us at what time the inquest Panchnama was drawn?
Yes, we'll just tell you that. That also we have in a timeline.
4,
20 to 40 PM.
4:20,
To
4:40 PM. And now the record reveals the report which we have in our hand that UD was registered after the inquest Panchnama, after the postmortem.
That was made before the judicial magistrate to carry out the inquest mentions.
Mentions the UD.
But that's page number 2 of the case diary.
That's what we were going to point out.
Now, Mr. Solicitor General,
Yes,
has the CBI collected the record which is available to them?
yes,
They have collected it?
we have collected.
Is any officer present today?
Yes,
Who is it?
the Joint Director, CBI, my lord.
Ma'am, you have understood our question. Come to page 12 of your report which has been tendered today. Read para 10 in your mind. Page 12. Tell us, is this record correct? Is this correct?
Yes, sir. It's
Correct.
based on the documents given to us by the Kolkata.
Why are they showing us some different time? Which is the document they are referring to?
Sir,
Case diary, I have it with me.
Case diary.
sir, this is based on the GD entries and the documents given to us by the
Correct.
Kolkata Police.
But look at the time which you have stated.
It's there, sir, in the GD entries, sir.
Can you
And
show
copy
us?
of it.
Can you show us?
Yes, sir.
Xerox
Copies, yes.
I'll just mark in passing.
They are mentioning the GD of what happened in the entire day, Malad. If your lordship that look at page 2, Malad. Page 2, it says the application made to the magistrate with the GD and where the UD entry is already mentioned.
You may be right, Mr. Sibal. This is something which even the criminal procedure code doesn't prescribe.
Yes, exactly.
The entire procedure
Yeah.
which has been followed by your police,
Yes.
police of the state, it is something which at least I have not come across
Yes.
in 30 years of my,
I know. Right. I appreciate it. But Manoj, the facts must be before your lordships. Manoj. That's the important thing, the real
the
fact.
first thing we want to confirm is
Yes.
it true that the UD case was registered at 23:30 hours and that the postmortem and everything preceded the registration of the UD?
No, Manoj.
We'll have to ascertain.
Yes, please, Manoj.
Second question to
Yeah.
you,
Well,
Mr.
that's
Sibbal.
the second question.
Who is this Assistant Superintendent Non-Medical? Who is this person?
Assistant Superintendent.
Is this Assistant Superintendent a male or a female?
I believe it's a female, but I just make sure. Female.
Her conduct is also very, very doubtful. Why did she act in this manner?
I can't possibly. Well, that's number two.
It's
Then
all right. It's all right.
Kindly pardon me, this is the one copy my lord we have. I have marked on the side flapping is on the right hand side, my lord. First page,
I've got the entire sequence here. GD entry 542 is at 10:10 a.m.
Well, I have the, if your lordship don't mind, Malad, I mean,
No, I've got your documents. I'm looking at it from your document.
yes,
GD entry, it says 542, 10:10 a.m.
yes,
Says received information over the telephone
yes,
from Ajikor MCH Police Outpost that a lady of PG trainee of so-and-so MCH was found lying in unconscious state at seminar room of chest medicine department of third floor of emergency building in half-naked condition. Accordingly informed so-and-so officer in charge and under his order,
yes,
leaving PS with lady police and force for causing inquiry. This is at 10:10 a.m.
correct, correct.
just allow me to intervene.
Now, one second.
The doctors are saying unconscious, though she was already dead.
One second.
You
Now,
don't need to be a doctor to understand.
This is 542.
Yes,
Now, next is 576. Now,
Yes,
576 is extremely important. 4 p.m. examination over, the dead body of the deceased, the board verbally opined that the death of the deceased was due to the effect of manual strangulation associated with smothering, ante-mortem and homicidal in nature.
correct.
Also verbally opined that medical evidence of forceful penetration stroke insertion in her genitalia, possibility of sexual assault. They say possibility. Accordingly, PO has been cordoned under proper guard. Also, several witnesses were examined and the statement was recorded, consulted CCTV footages in and around the vicinity of the PO.
Yes,
One thing therefore which is very clear is that the cordoning off and the preservation of the crime scene takes place after the post-mortem report is conducted. This is what the GD entry itself says. So first, the PM takes place between 6 and 7 in the evening, after which they start cordoning off the crime scene. Now just go forward. Experts of SFL, WB, have visited the spot under their direction and able guidance. Incriminating articles and documents were received under videography
Right.
in proper seizure list after observing all legal formalities by seizure list dated 9th August. Dog squad also arrived on the spot. On the basis of the prayer of investigating agency, Learned Judicial Magistrate conducted inquest over the dead body of the deceased under videography after observing all legal formalities. Accordingly, PM examination was conducted by the Board of Autopsy Surgeons consisting of 3 members under videography over the dead body of the deceased and declared her dead body on 9th August at about 12:44 hours. Meanwhile, so-and-so homicide, officers of homicide section, women grievance cell, scientific wing so-and-so photography, it was learned that the door of the seminar room was in open condition. Then 576. On perusal, 1 blue-colored jeans, etc., found in incriminating articles were found on the mattress, beneath the mattress on the dais. Accordingly, some people were examined. They will not read out her name, which appears immediately thereafter. Accordingly, on-duty RMO of so-and-so examined. Lady was lying on her back on a mattress kept on the wooden dais. Inside the said seminar room, in unconscious or motionless condition, she was examined in presence of lady police personnel and found some injuries on her private parts and other parts of her body. Also found that she wore whatever. After return to PS, under order of OC, an UD case has been registered Vidit Tala UD case number 9th August.
So this is, now it is
Now it's very clear.
confirmed that it was
No, no, no.
23:30 hours.
Page number 2, just see page number
No, but
2.
this is the case diary.
No, no,
It
Mercy,
shows that the
case
UD
diary.
case, that the UD case is registered
No, that's.
after he returns to the police station.
I don't want to, Manas, contradict, Manas, kindly see page 2
Okay,
of the case diary.
these are their documents.
Yes, 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 ma'am. Has given to us.
We'll part with you for 2
And
minutes.
after return to the police station, the seized articles were kept in Malkhana, white MK number 52 of.
Before that, your lordships may see the last page of this.
Would my lord,
Last but one, last but one.
may I pleading with your lordship, look at. page-
Second last, my lord, after return to PS under order of
Okay, that we have seen.
UD case has been registered, my lord, that is at 2030.
Make us understand this, the circle portion. What is this?
Manas, when he comes back, he records the entire incident and then Manas repeats that. But
Oh, Mr. Sibel, oh, I'm sorry, we can't accept this explanation.
page 2 in the diary itself, Manas, kindly have a look at page 2 if you don't mind, Manas, please.
So what is this? He has recorded minutes, the entire day's proceedings?
He has to, Manas, he has.
Why has he mentioned this 32 hours, 30
Because
hours?
he's come back at that time, Manas. At the police station at that time, Manas. He therefore recorded it. Manas, there's a lot of,
Okay. Now show us one document
yes, I'm showing. Manas.
prior to 23:30 hours,
Correct.
wherein we find this UD case number so and so.
Page 2, page 2.
Give it back to us, please.
I'm sorry, Manas. Page 2, Manas.
Of this
Page
compilation,
diary, yes,
page 2.
yes. That's the second last page, Manas, and there it is mentioned. Second last
Second last page of the case diary.
of the case diary. Page
It's
number-
UD, not GD.
Case diary, my lord's page.
Case diary, page 2.
Case diary.
We have it in hard copy.
Yes, we give it to your lordship.
Let us see.
Let us give it to mine. Doesn't matter. Yeah, yeah. For the magistrate would happen in the afternoon, which
That
happens
is
in the
after,
afternoon.
much after.
And you will see the diary number, Manas, 861 of 24. 861 of 24.
Even the order of the magistrate,
Even the order of the magistrate thereafter, Manas, says that.
plus page 4.
Let them investigate. This has been inserted later in point of time.
No, page 4.
Yes, prima facie, prima
four,
facie
madam.
it appears.
Before, Manas,
Prima
before,
facie it appears.
page 4, not inserted.
Let them look into it. Let them look.
Ask for the report from the ACJM.
Just give it back to us. I'll share it with my lord.
My request is
And my
ask for the
brother.
report.
Yes, my lord, and the copy may be given to us, my lord. I do not know whether this copy we have or not.
The case diary.
That's okay, but
No,
give
no,
it,
no.
give one more copy. What objection can you have?
Report of the ACGM can come, Manas. Before the ACGM, the application was made. No.
My lord, this page may be given to us. They may have given, let another copy be
May
given.
I request your lordship, look at page 4 and ask for the report of the ACGM report.
No, I do not know what is shown. I must say.
Manas, kindly see page, Manas, I'm sorry, Manas, I give. No, Manas, it
No,
can't
the
be-
copy of print of this page may be given, my lord.
Just a minute.
That's the request.
Just give it back to me, please. Only you have a look at it.
We just look at it. Yeah, I understand. Yeah, I understand. Yes, I know. Now, my lord, your lordship's suspicion is right. Now we read page 8. my lord.
From where? In this?
Yes, here. That's the inquest report. Give it back. This is the judicial magistrate, my lord, who carry out the inquest and see whether UD case 861. Postmortem also mentions it. So, my lord, these can't be inserted.
They will have to look into.
Let them, my lord. I also magistrate's, my lord's order itself refers.
They'll have to look into.
My lord,
Yes,
I
please.
would, my lord, again request my learned friend to give me a copy of this. Even if it is given, let it be given afresh.
Give a copy after the, I have a soft copy. Give me a soft
We'll give you a
Please
copy.
have a
We have
printout
soft
and give it.
copy. So, my lord, magistrate's order, my lord, kindly see the magistrate's order. That's, my lord, also part of the CD. I just give it to your lordship. Just give it to my lord. No, I think.
The magistrate's order is not part of the case diary.
1 second, it will not, but I'm just saying.
Yes.
It's not so. Kindly have a look, my lord. The magistrate's order itself. My lord, Justice Padiwala, please, my lord, I'm sorry. This is the magistrate's order. And it mentions the case number.
So UD case has 11 to 30. That's what I want to.
No, that's not correct.
See the UD case. the
Can your
UD case,
lordships just see this?
577 is recorded at 10:10 in the morning.
Yes.
Can your lordships just have a look at it?
Yes.
copy.
Yes.
Can your lordships have a
Admiral,
look?
they have this information in the CD, they have this
Mr.
information.
Sibal, please allow
What
me
is
now.
Mr. Sibal?
Please allow me.
Allow me what? You should have shown the CD, given the CD.
Lord, I don't
The
wish to
original
fight,
should have
my
been
lord. I
given
am,
in court.
In fact, this also matches with the FIR.
Lord,
FIR
there is a
says
confusion, my lord. Please allow me.
Received date 9th August 24, time 10:10 hours.
My lord, if your
DD
lordship
number
gives me 2 minutes, my lord.
Exactly.
My lord, I may be right, I may be wrong. Give me 2 minutes, my lord. Your lordships have, my lord, this 10-10, my lord.
Yes.
This is GDE called General Diary Entry.
Right, at the police station.
At the first floor, yes, at the police station. Please, my lord, thereafter come to this, my lord. My lord, your lordship, I do not know the number of the compilation, but it is page 47 on the top.
Yes, 47 we got.
Correct?
This is the same.
Your lordship, please, Mr. Sibal,
Yes, continue.
there is
Mr.
always a courtesy to each
Yes,
other.
sir.
Lord,
Exercise.
this is 576, 2330. Correct, my lord? Now read this, my lord. In reference to Tala PS General Diary entry number 542 of date, return to PS with so and so, please ignore it and come to the next page. After return to PS under order of office something, an UD case has been registered with a Tala PS number so and so 861. So this UD case is registered, my lord. Earlier was GD entry. This is UD case at 2330 and at 2345 FIR is registered.
Well, see page 40, it just shows, Malad.
That's, my lord, how the chronology, we have, my lord, presented.
Muddy the waters. It's all muddy the waters. That's what you're doing.
Just see 42, just see 42.
42, my lord.
GD number 542, dated 10:10 a.m. Received information over the telephone from Ajikor Medical College Hospital Police Outpost that a lady of PG trainee of
So-and-so was found lying in unconscious
exactly.
state at so-and-so medicine department of third floor of emergency building in so-and-so according to informed sector 92 OC and under his order leading PS with lady police. So this is not general diary entry.
What is that?
What is?
That is what DD is. That's
Not
what-
somebody has lost the
That's
life.
according to the
Don't
rules.
at least laugh.
1 second. According to
at
the
least
rules
laugh.
Maharaj, that we follow,
A girl has
these
lost
regulations
her
we've
life
done in accordance.
in a most inhuman
That's
and
not-
undignified manner.
Maharaj, these are the rules and we have followed to the T, the rules of
Yes,
the.
I will show that
of
what rules are.
Unnatural death end.
My lord,
The Solicitor General. First, a general diary entry is made. Thereafter, the police proceeds to the spot with the case diaries.
Correct.
General diary is kept at the police station.
Which
Case
is
diary
regis-
is carried to the spot.
Yes.
Now, the relevant part would be
Yes.
this part, which is a inquest report. This
Yes,
shows that the information regarding unnatural death was received and registered as case number 861 on 9/8/2024 at 10:10 hours.
That's correct.
Yes.
And this extract is the general diary which the police
We
complete
will
after the
examine
day
this
is
aspect
over.
and come back to you.
It carries various steps that have been carried out during the course of the day.
That's right.
So that is what.
I can assure my learned friend, this is not an attempt to muddy the water, to remove the mud from the
already
water,
muddied.
because we are dealing with a delicate situation. Somebody's dignity is
Oh,
lost.
come on, we all know that. We are all, it's a tragic incident, it's barbaric, and we are on the same side.
Your side was
But let's
laughing.
not muddy the waters on.
Really unfortunate.
The only one point which we also see is that the UD, I'll read out the relevant part. This is at page 74. Accordingly, PO has been cordoned under proper guard. Also, several witnesses were examined and their statements were recorded. Consulted CCTV footages in and around the vicinity of the PO. After post-mortem and inquest, the dead body of the deceased has been handed over to her mother, so-and-so. After return to the police station, under order of officer in charge, so-and-so, and UD case has been registered by Tala PS UD case number 861, dated 9 August 2024. All concerned, including superiors, were informed. After return to the police station, the seized articles were kept in PS Malkhana by Malkhana number 52 in the presence of ASI and constable so-and-so. Now, and officer in charge was informed. So it appears that the initial report of an unnatural death was received and which was recorded in the GD at
Correct.
5 as
So
5.
not unnatural death,
Once.
unconscious body. The doctors are informing the police that there is an unconscious
Found
body.
lying in unconscious state. That is
Not a doc, you don't have to be a doctor to
That is-
know that it's not unconscious body, it's a
that is
dead
at
body.
10:10 a.m.
Yes.
This is GD 542.
This is from the outpost, Malaj.
Right,
This
the
information is
unnatural
from the outpost.
death, the unnatural death is
Received from police
recorded
is
by
outpost.
entry 861, after they return to the police station at night.
That is how we have
And
said.
11:30 in the night, the FIR is registered. In the meantime, the body has been handed over to the mother for the purpose of.
And that too, the father insists for registration of the
Yes,
FIR.
absolutely.
The hospital does not register the FIR. Father has insisted and registered the FIR.
Malaj, the father told us, you wait till I tell you, then
No,
only
no, I-
register.
No.
I will give a written complaint. That's what happened. At least tell us what's been happening in the investigation and trying to say that this happened at 11:45.
The family is here, Malak. The
State has,
He was appealing, my lord.
One clarification which we need.
Certainly, Malaj.
If the report of the police indicates that after return to the police station, GD 861 was recorded. In the meantime, the dead body had been handed over to the mother for cremation. If this does not square up with the fact that the inquest refers to GD 861. Inquest takes place, I have the inquest of the judicial magistrate.
Right,
Judicial magistrate says I conducted the inquest at 4:20 p.m. on the 9th of August.
correct.
That inquest report refers to GD 861.
Yes.
Now, if the police say that the GD 861 was recorded on return to the police station just before, obviously before the FIR is recorded
Yeah,
that
yeah.
night, how is it that an inquest at 4:20 refers to 861?
Lord,
This is
kindly-
just recording.
Lord, I do not know what,
I'm
how
sorry.
it will
This is
turn.
just recording.
It says
This is just
UT
recording.
1861,
Just
not
an expression, Malaj, it's just recording.
It says UD
Ask the
861.
ACJM, Malaj, ask
Not-
the ACJM. He was there. Ask the ACJM, Malaj. Everything's on record. Your memo says 861. Postmortem says 861. And Malaj, the real thing is the investigation. Why are we moving away? What has happened in the investigation?
My Lord, my friends may share the timelines with us.
Do you have the postmortem report? Yes, just pass it on.
I'm sorry, Malaj.
Postmortem.
Postmortem, yeah.
Lord, the state says Father,
3, my lords. Page
father
1,
did not permit registration of FIR. The father's counsel is
Page 1, 3, my lords, page 13 of the case diary.
So the state will wait for the father.
Page 13 of the case diary.
In this PM note, is there a reference of 861 somewhere? Top,
At the top, my lords.
Where?
First line, my lords, reference.
Yes,
to the PM.
yes, okay.
Right on top.
Right on top. It's there, UD case number.
Was then that at the time when the PMR was when the postmortem was conducted, UD 861 had already been there.
That's right, there's no doubt about it, my lords.
The inquest
Well,
number is also
people are
there.
using some language, some expressions, but Bengali speaking people are using some expressions in English.
no, there is no Bengali.
Only-
in the
The record will show,
No, why does the IO then say that after I returned to the police station in the night, I recorded?
because he has to record what has happened all this while. That's the point.
He is recording minutes of the
Exactly.
meeting, my lord.
But the
Which-
investigation.
The point is, we are more concerned about the investigation, what has happened in the last
Exactly,
1
that's
week. At
what
least
is
tell the
being
court that.
In the.
He is right. He was they were
Yeah.
more concerned about
He
the
may inform the
investigation,
court.
which is emerging now.
Lordship, the PMR talks about 151 mg of semen. It is never in mg.
No, it is not.
in ml.
It is the
It is in.
So please, come on. This is the
That's not-
problem that.
We are in the very incipient
let-
stage, but don't confuse this.
Yeah.
Don't use social media to make arguments in the court.
Social
I am
media.
grateful, my lord, for that. I am grateful.
We have specifically now
Yeah.
the PMR before us, and we know what that 151 refers to.
Yes.
Yes.
Right, let's not use, what we read on
What is
social
happening.
media and then make legal arguments on that basis.
Malas, I have a very,
Of-
Malas, 1 second. Now, Malas, your lordships asked me that you will give me a chance, Malas, after this is over. I have a very serious issue at hand, Malas, and I want to hand over an affidavit to you. Just please give it. And I'll hand over that affidavit also to the solicitor, but only to him. Malas, just give it. Just go through this affidavit.